Hi everyone, if you use Redbubble to sell your designs on print-on-demand products such as t-shirts, phone cases and mouse mats, then you might want to download images of those products with your designs on to use on other platforms such as Etsy, or even maybe have your own website. There's a very easy way to achieve this. First of all, you need to log on to your account, then you need to click your account icon as the top right hand side there, as you can see, select Manage Portfolio. Select the particular product or image that you want to download. I'm going to select this one there, select that little cogwheel, and then select Promote Products. Scroll down, select the particular image that you want, and you can see there you've got three little dots. Click those dots and then select Download Images. See the little download arrow there, select that, and then simply just download it to a particular file on your computer. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.